Hey yo everybody, welcome back to Water Closet. Welcome to August. What means by August in Singapore? It's special for Singapore is the National Days of Singapore on 9th of August. Since 1965, independent from Malaysia. So this is the limited edition for Singapore. Let's see this. Ta-da! Let's tune a bit our camera. Let it has a better focus. Tune it down. Alright. See on the box. Very nice. G-Shock. Crossover with Mighty what? Mighty Yellow. Can you see that? The box itself is like flora fauna in Singapore. It is symbolized of Singapore. It's the city of a garden city, a metropolis that keep her biodiversity thriving and her people adaptable. Okay, that's all for the box itself. Very nice box. Let's open it, pop it up, usual books and shit. Follow it. Inside here we can see there's a description. Yeah, take a closer look. Let's see, can you see the word there? Yep, survival instinct. 2 years after independence, Singapore set herself a vision to become a garden city. Today is a metropolis that keep her biodiversity thriving and her people adaptable. These design feature shapes and colors of the tropical jungle moving and merging in vibrant dynamism, celebrating diversity and resilience. Very nice. Actually, you can see the continuity of the box inside out, all over the box itself. Good job, Mighty Yellow. Let's take a look in the box inside. Very common box. This is very standard G-Shock box. G-Shock 20 bar, water resistant, shock resistant since 1983. It's a very common box. But this paper box is really well designed, worth to be collected. Okay, let's pop this open. Usual, we got a foam on top, and a foam inside, and the watch itself, right? Without further ado, let's open the plastic cover. Alright, look at that. Really nice. 1st of August, it launched today. Yep, I just went and just bought it. Okay, very nice, soft touching. I mean, yeah, it's like a matte finish, real nice to touch. And then see the flora fauna. It's all over the straps itself. You can see here, G-Shock. Hard to focus, right? Ta-da! G-Shock, yeah, there it is. It's a double rigs here, then at the back, nothing special. It's like usual G-Shock, shock resistant, anti-magnetic shock absorbing structure, and is made in Thailand. See that? Basically, it's a GA-140. Its weight about 72 grams. Yep, the size is 55 by 51.2 by 16.9 millimeter. Color is black and with all this flora fauna design all over the place. Yeah, and then is a limited edition. You have digital, and where is the digital? Yeah, you can change the mode and switch to digital mode, and there's the analog there. It makes by Resin and mineral glass. You have 20 bars, water resistant, magnetic resistant, but it don't have all the mud or the smart thing, and no GPS, no Bluetooth. It's basically just selling for this limited edition for Singapore. Okay, so yeah, the model itself is actually GA-140 GA-140-1A4NDP20. 1A4NDP20. Yes, that NDP is the National Day Parade. Yeah, that's usually what they call in Singapore, and NDP, which symbolizes the National Day of Singapore. So that's it for today's opening, box opening for the G-Shocks. See, the dial itself is really colorful, just like the strap itself. Everyone should get one, I think. You see that? Really, really nice. Many lights. Let's pops the lights. Wow, amber color of the lights. Really, really nice. Actually, I'm trying to get the one piece limited edition, but it's sold out in a minute. Oh my god, I couldn't get a hand on it. And even the Dragon Balls, okay, my hand is low, I couldn't get one, so I'll grab this. Anyway, 3 of these are limited edition. All of them are worth to be collectible. Yep. Thanks for watching and stay safe, everyone. Bye.